diary. Well, I don't remember what number. I'm tired of saying my number. That's Jennifer. That's Toby. That's my daddy over there. Now, we're going to secretly record the game. No one knows.
What game?
The game on the
Yeah, let's put me on a video diary with my hair so greasy and in my pajamas. That's great. The whole world is going to see me like this.
That's the whole world.
It's private? Uh-oh.
Until she finds out how to unprivate it. Which probably tomorrow.
Lisa needs to be on the video diary. Why don't you turn around yours? Go get it, Haley, so your mama can be on the video diary.
There's video diary going on, people.
Womp, womp, womp.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Secret video diary.
Haven't we done